Well, Six Sigma is an advanced tool set that companies can use to really differentiate themselves from their competition. It's about elimination of variation. It is in a way, a problem-solving methodology. It's based on what we call the DMAIC principles, and those are define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. Six Sigma is a statistical-based, well-established approach to, first of all, defining the problem, making sure that we truly understand what's wrong. Then we have ways to measure it, to understand the magnitude of the problem. Then we take the data, the measurement data, and we analyze it. The benefit of understanding the Six Sigma methodology is that you may actually be able to get down to the root cause of a problem. You may have had multiple efforts to fix it over the years, and what happens is you might have a temporary fix, but you didn't really address the root cause, and so it keeps resurfacing and you just keep having the same old problem. What we're trying to do is get down to the root cause of this problem. We put an improvement mechanism in place to enhance that particular process, and then we have the last step, which is control, because too many times over the years I've seen people put improvements in place, and initially the improvement benefits the company, but over time they backslide. So we put control mechanisms in place to make sure that those improvements stay in place and are continued to be adhered to. Many people think that Six Sigma or Lean, but truthfully Lean is about waste elimination. Six Sigma is about variation control. And so in fact, those two tool sets are very complementary to one another. Six Sigma, by eliminating variation, can improve the first pass yield or the throughput of a process so that you have fewer rejects, you have more on-time delivery, a better quality product, and consequently a better or a more satisfied customer. We can also help your people to prepare for Six Sigma exams, for example, taking the yellow belt, the green belt, or the black belt through the American Society of Quality. We want to help you develop the skills so that you can be self-sufficient. So by training your people in these methodologies, you can, save the time, save the money on your own. And know that we're always here as a resource. We're there to back you up, but we really want your people to become proficient in these skills. We do all of our work through the American Society of Quality. We know that Six Sigma could benefit you. I'm currently working on a Six Sigma project with a client. They print labels and different types of graphics. They've had some variability in their process because, as you can imagine, they're asked to reinvent the wheel every single time out. They rarely rerun the same label or printing job over. So they have to be at the top of their game. But one of the things we're looking at is how to avoid the variation. And really, it's more about paying attention through the entire process. In order to do that, we mapped the process, we've reviewed the process, we've put certain mechanics in place to help the process to be stable. So we defined our problem, we knew what it was, we analyzed it, we put improvement measures in place, and now our control measures are constantly reviewing that and keeping track of it. And consequently, we've seen the number of problems go down significantly. It's a typical real-world situation, but this thinking gives you an organized approach to attack these problems and to come up with effective solutions. We see real-world benefits, real bottom-line benefits every day from these types of initiatives. To learn more about this, please contact your Missouri Enterprise representative, and we'd be happy to speak with you about this. Six Sigma can save you money and time.